Hello everyone, welcome to AD Study Today. In this video, we are going to cover all the important current affairs of 27th March 2021. So let's start. So the first question is, name the winner of Vyas Samman 2020. The correct answer is option C, Sharad Pagare. Its detail is, well-known Hindi writer Professor Sharad Pagare will be conferred with the prestigious Vyas Samman 2020. He will be awarded the 31st Vyas Samman for his novel Patliputra Ki Samragi. The Vyas Samman started in 1991, given by K.K. Birla Foundation for an outstanding literary work in Hindi authored by an Indian citizen published during the last 10 years. It carries an award of 4 lakh rupees along with a citation and plaque. Now if you are liking this video, then do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon. The PDF of this video is given in its description, and I have also given the Facebook link in the description, so you can also follow me on Facebook. Now the second question is, which state has launched India's first government-run ambulance network for animals? The correct answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Its detail is, the Andhra Pradesh government under the leadership of Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has decided to set up India's first government-run ambulance network for animals in a move to boost the animal husbandry and veterinary sector in the state. Now when we are talking about Andhra Pradesh, then let's know more about Andhra Pradesh. The Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. The Governor of Andhra Pradesh is Biswabhushan Harichandan. There are 25 Lok Sabha seats in Andhra Pradesh and 11 Rajya Sabha seats, and there are 13 districts in Andhra Pradesh. Now let's move to the third question. So the third question is, the world's first exclusive ship tunnel is slated to be constructed in which country? So the correct answer is option A, Norway. Its detail is, the Norwegian Coastal Administration has received the green signal to start working on the construction of world's first tunnel being built exclusively for ships. The tunnel is dubbed as Strand Ship Tunnel and would be built under the mountainous Stadhavet Peninsula in northwestern Norway. It will measure 1700 meters long, 37 meters high and 26.5 meters wide when complete. Construction on the project is expected to begin in 2022 and be complete by 2025 or 2026. Now the next question is, name the Indian American physician who has been appointed as the US Surgeon General in Biden's administration. The correct answer is option C, Vivek Murthy. Its detail is, the US Senate has voted 57 to 43 to confirm the appointment of Indian American Dr. Vivek Murthy as the Surgeon General under US President Biden's administration. Now the next question is administration. Now the next question is, recently the Kurnool Airport has been inaugurated in which state? The correct answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Its detail is, the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has inaugurated the Kurnool Airport located at Orvakal. To offer a tribute, the airport is named after the first ever freedom fighter of the country, Uvalavada Narasimha Reddy. This will be the 6th civilian airport in the state after Visakhapatnam, Tirupati, Vijayawada, Rajahmundry and Kadapa. The flight operations at Kurnool Airport will begin from 28 March 2021. This airport has been developed under the Regional Connectivity Scheme Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagrik, that is RCS, and Udan. Now the next question is, International Day of Remembrance of the Victims of Slavery and the Transatlantic Slave Trade is observed every year on which day? The correct answer is option A, March 25. Its detail is, International Day of Remembrance of the Victims of Slavery and the Transatlantic Slave Trade is marked on 25 March 2021. Theme: Ending Slavery's Legacy of Racism, a Global Imperative for Justice. Now the next question is, PABI Anti-Terror 2021 is a joint anti-terrorism exercise which is scheduled to be held among the member countries of which international bloc? The correct answer is option D, SCO. Its detail is, the member states of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, that is SCO, including India, Pakistan and China, will hold a joint anti-terrorism exercise named PABI Anti-Terror 2021 in later 2021. The exercise will be hosted by Pakistan and its premier anti-terrorism center in PABI in Nowshera district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Now the next question is, who has topped the GROHE Hurun India Real Estate Rich List for 2020? The correct answer is option B, Mangal Prabhat Lodha. Its detail is, Mangal Prabhat Lodha and family has emerged as the richest real estate developer in India as per the GROHE Hurun India Real Estate Rich List for 2020. Now the next question is, how many medals have been won by India in the 2021 Al Ain World Shooting Para Sport Tournament? The correct answer is option A, 7. Its detail is, India ended the 2021 World Shooting Para Sport competitions with 7 medals held at Al Ain in UAE from 15 to 25 March 2021. India finished in third place with 2 gold medals, 1 silver and 4 bronze medals. Now the next question is, what is the rank of India in the International Intellectual Property Index? The correct answer is option A, 40. Its detail is, India has been ranked 40 among 53 global economies in the International Intellectual Property, that is IP Index 2021. The annual IP Index 2021 was released by the US Chamber of Commerce Global Innovation Policy Center, that is GIPC. Now in my last video I asked you a question. If you haven't seen that video, then you can watch it by clicking on the I button. So I asked, according to a Car Dekho OMG survey, how many % of customers are willing to buy EVs? The correct answer is option C, 66. Its detail is, Car Dekho, the leading auto tech firm, has released the electric vehicle customer awareness study in association with and OMG Omnicom Media Group. According to the survey, 66% of customers are willing to buy EVs, out of which 53% are strongly inclined to go electric. Now today's question of the day is, who is the author of the book My Experiments with Silence? The options are A. Rahul Roy, B. Gauri Khan, C. Aman Verma, or is it D. Samir Soni? So among these four options, whichever option you think is correct, just write it in the comment box below and I will tell its correct answer in my next video. So till then, bye, take care and thanks for watching this video.